Modify or disable Windows 8 swipe gestures on touchpad, laptop. I have an Asus G75 VW laptop with a Synaptic touchpad/trackpad. When I move my finger from one edge towards the middle, the swipe, Windows 8 will bring up different stuff. This is a problem because the area where I can actually move the mouse with my finger is too small, or, I mostly use the top left of the touchpad. So I often end up doing a swipe and bringing up some menu, or to do the swipe so slow that no menu is appearing but the mouse pointer is also not moving when I move my finger. Quite annoying. When swiping from left edge it earlier swapped apps like crazy. I disabled that, so now it only brings up the same menu as pressing Win plus tab, or sometimes the charms bar, I never know which. I could change that by Win plus I change PC settings general when I swipe from the left edge, switch directly to my most recent app. I've tried mouse settings in control panel, driver settings for my touchpad and searching for swipe and gestures on my computer, which was what led me to the setting above, with no luck. How can I disable the swipe gestures, or change what they do? Doing this involves editing the registry. It is recommended to do a manual system restore point before doing this. You will need to make a file called gestures.reg, open Notepad and paste the following. Save this file somewhere, with the reg extension. Now run it. Some warning boxes may come up. You will need to press yes when they do. After the operation has finished, reboot your PC and they should now be disabled. If you want to re-enable these gestures, then you will need to do the same but use the following text when saving the file.
Daniel B's answer worked great. However, after experimenting with drivers I found a Synaptics driver from Asus that comes with something they call Asus Smart Gesture. There, under the Edge Gesture tab one can disable the different swipe gestures. Easier and safer than messing with the registry. However, this only works for Asus computers, while Daniel B's answer should work for most Synaptic touchpads.
For my Dell, I went to Control Panel and GT, Hardware and Sound and GT, Devices and Printers. Right-click on the laptop picture and select Mouse Settings. Click on Dell Touchpad, and in that screen select the link that says Click to change Dell Touchpad settings. Go to Gestures. Swipe options are listed on this screen.
On my Acer Aspire with Windows 8, I right-clicked the bottom left corner to reach the control panel. From there I went to Mouse Options, then to Elan, and from there to Options. This gave me the option to disable edge swiping, which seems to have worked quite well.